great thing is in your classes that you have here, there are like, I don't need this class anymore, so I'm going to archive it.
Okay.
Okay. By doing that, you're not deleting any of those assignments. If you're like, oh, I made that assignment one day, 1 year, I can go back to that archived class.
Mm-hmm.
And I can go find inside of that class, right?
Okay.
And my classwork and everything in it, I can find those assignments that were previously made. And it's like, well, you know what? Because when I reuse a post, it doesn't look through archived classes, but I can go back to that. I can then pull that class back out. I can restore it.
Okay.
And then I can pull the assignments out of that class.
Okay.
Cool?
Sounds great. Yeah. Thanks for answering my question.